Hey guys, Sophia here. Welcome back. Today I am installing my little library. You can see it right here. I put it on the side because I need to work on the bottom, but it's finished. If you watched the day in the life that I posted Friday, last Friday, you probably saw it finished with the little hook and the handle and everything. So I already started digging for my pole outside. I'm not finished with it, so I'm gonna take you outside. We're gonna finish the pole. I got to install the pole, and then when I come back, I'm going to do everything I need to do with the bottom. So the whole story is this. I'm going to do a platform that's going to be attached to the pole with screws and brackets. And the little library is going to go on top of it. It's going to be screwed from the bottom, from the bracket, and I also have 4 carriage bolts that are going to fasten it to the platform. So hopefully, even though it's top heavy, it's going to stay straight and not collapse within, I don't know, 2 storms. Okay, so in the front yard, here's my pole. I bought a 4-footer. And I'm going to place it right here. I started digging. So it's going to be, when you walk from this side, partially hidden by the hydrangeas in the summer. And then it's going to be right here on my side of the property. I dug about 30 inches so far, but I need to do at least 8 more. Okay, what I'm going to do first is put some gravel at the bottom so that I can have an even surface at the bottom. And I'm going to place my post. And I'm going to throw some rocks on the sides to keep it straight. So I'm going to use the expanding foam to set it. And this you got to work really, really fast. So you start by rolling this until the seal bursts. This. All right. And then you mix this for about 15 seconds. And then you open this. This all around like this, and it's going to expand. this thing is still expanding. I'm gonna have to cut the extra foam. I don't know if you can see it, but it's still expanding. 50 times stronger than concrete. We'll see. It's ugly though. I give them that. It's really ugly. Okay, so I'm back home. I'm gonna work on the platform, which shouldn't take too long. But that particular foam here needs to set for 2 hours. So I have 2 hours basically to do what I need to do. It really does expand, and it expanded a lot outside of the hole. So I don't know, once it's set, I'll see how much I can move it. I have a feeling it's pretty good because it's a 36, a little bit more, almost 40-inch hole. I want to make sure that the whole thing doesn't tip over, you know, because it is top heavy. And that's about it. And as I was working, my hair was getting in the way, so I'm waiting for Edward went upstairs to get me like some combs. I'm just gonna like tie my hair because I can't work with this. My glasses are falling off my nose, my hair is in the way. It's just not looking HD TV now, is it? Alright, let me see if I can explain the contraption I'm putting together here. So here's my little library. This is the bottom platform. This is where the post is. They're going to be attached like this to the platform and to the post. When I put the platform onto the post, I'm also going to put right here in those 4 quadrants screws, deck screws directly into the post, just to make sure. And then I have holes here that are going to go through the entire platform and the little library, and in those holes I'm going to place carriage bolts. So the carriage bolts are going to go from the inside like this, and they're going to be tightened with nuts to the bottom. So the platform will hold the library, and the post will hold the platform from these 4 brackets here and the deck screws going into it. So here it is. My little library is installed. Touch-up paint done. I'm not doing anything with this yet, but there you have it. So I have 2 carriage bolts. I didn't put 4, put 2. And then I touched up on the paint. I'm leaving this open for now because I did some touch-up paint on the inside. But here it is. So coming soon. Books, not yet. I'm gonna do that after Halloween, because if I put books there on Halloween, they're gonna be all gone, and that's not fair. So that's what I'll do. And then this I got to cut, and then I have to see if I need to anchor it a little bit more. It's a little bit on the high side. Let me see, I'm 5'5", and then you get right in the middle of the second shelf. You gotta go up here, and then this is fine. I think it's looking good. You tell me down below, what do you think? My little library is done. So I'm done. I know this video was kind of short and I didn't really show a lot. I feel very self-conscious filming outside up front. It's just, I don't know. I can film a whole bunch of crazy nonsense in the back, but in the front I get really self-conscious because people are passing by, and I don't know. But anyway, I said I was gonna do it for Halloween. It's done. It's actually the 29th today. It's installed. It's a little bit on the tall side, but that's fine. I may put a little bench or something next to it, but I can tell you this, I'm definitely, like I said, going to plant stuff. So in the spring, expect flowers and maybe bushes or whatever. And then I ordered the plaque for it, the charter, I think that's what they called. And I'm not going to give you my number because then, you know, everybody's going to know my address. But basically, you plug it in the app. You put the little plaque on your library. You plug it in the app with your number. You take a picture of it. And so that way, people who are using the app to find where their nearest little library is in the neighborhood, they have them. So I believe I'm officially the 3rd one in town, if not the 4th one to have one. So just to let you know, when you order, it's $39, and then you got to pay the shipping. Then you can donate an extra, you know, percentage or whatever you want. For now, I just ordered it with the shipping, so it comes down to $47. And I was showing Scott their kits. Their kits are like $369 for just a little library without the post. So you have to install the post and everything. And mine is under $100. The only thing I purchased really was that foam that was $16. The post was $10. Bunch of screws or whatever, so that was like 30 something. The hinges, so it's under $100. I got the whole thing installed, painted, and ready to go. Tomorrow I said I was gonna start it November 1st, right? Because otherwise all the books will be gone on Halloween night, because my street is the big hub for Halloween. So I know that people would stop by and all the books would be gone. So, and I want the neighborhood to be able to enjoy them. But I already have the girl across the street all excited about having a little library. She was like, oh cool, I use those. So she'll have one across the street now. It is easier for her to get books. So encourage your kids to read. And if you haven't read a book in a while, go back to reading. There's nothing like relaxing with a cup of tea or coffee or whatever is your beverage of choice and getting transported by a really good book. I hope you enjoyed this series. My next project for you guys, that was Scott passing by, is the floor in the bedroom. I received the wood. You want to see it? I'll show it to you. Here. That's the wood for the floor. So I have some things that I need to do, you know, like little touch-ups and things like that to do in the bedroom first. You know, paint touch-up. I got curtains that I got to install, and then I'll get going with the wood floor. So I'm installing the wood floor on the 12th of November. So the video will be the following week if I finish it in one day. Otherwise, it'll be a two-part thing. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. I'm sorry this is the only video this week for YouTube. I can't film anything else. Tomorrow, the entire day is going to be spent doing the live for Patreon. And I'm telling you, you got to check it out. I got the lives going on. We got a Facebook private group going on. And starting November 15th, we got a book club going on. So there's a lot of community stuff going on with Patreon. It's not just videos. There's, you know, a growing community of folks who just want a safe space and away from all the negativity. So check it out, patreon.com/mygreatchallenge. So that will be the only video this week because tomorrow I'm doing the live, and then it's state competition for Williams Band. It's all the way down by Trenton. It's an hour and a half away, and we want to see the whole competition, so we're gonna be gone all day. There's nothing else I can do. It's already 5 o'clock. I'm gonna go quilt. I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.